Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese language free that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in the search bar type in Learn Japanese Language Free. So let's take a look at, alright, here it is by B Global app. And before we install this application, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the categories that you will be able to see. Learn Japanese language free, common Japanese phrases and sentences, record your voice, 60 Japanese category, search words and phrases, and save your favorite phrases, and so on. There. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that learn Japanese words, phrases, and sentences, learn useful expressions in Japanese. So if you would like to learn Japanese free, easily, and quickly, then this app is for you. If you're looking for an excellent application to learn Japanese, then this app is also for you. So this app's features includes 3,000 useful Japanese phrases and words, real-life Japanese pronunciation, a simple user interface, easy to use, voice recording and playback, instant search by keywords, save Japanese phrases for quick access, use offline, can use everywhere. And this app is designed for rapid learning of Japanese vocabulary and phrases. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is. So as you can see, these are the categories. So there's a lot, and you can start by the numbers by tapping it, and you'll be able to study the numbers. So this one, 1 billion oku. So by tapping this, you'll be able to record your voice. You'll have to allow it there, then allow to record your voice, and you'll be able to play it later on. So this one here is if you want to listen to a pronunciation and how to pronounce this properly. So it's jooku, and this one is going to copy. And the heart one, the heart icon, if you tap this one, you'll be able to add this to your favorites. And if you want to add all of this to your favorites, just tap this one here at the top, and you'll have this option that you'll be able to add it to your favorites. So let's go to other categories in here. Let's try the travel. So you can use this app, sentences in here to communicate with the Japanese. So do you like to travel? Ryoko ga suki desu ka? And what kind of places have you visited in your life? Donna tokoro ni itta koto ga arimasu ka? What's the best place you've ever visited? 今まで訪れた中で最も美しい場所はどこですか? How many places have you traveled to? いくつの場所に旅行しましたか? And so on. So just select the sentences in here that you can use to communicate to the Japanese. So this app is really useful before going to Japan, so that you can learn their language ahead of time, and also to avoid embarrassment situations. So just select a categories in here, and here at the top you'll see this search icon. So this is where you can search a word or sentences. So let's try love. So lovely, shisai, and this one is where you can see your favorites. So right now I have added one favorite. Menu is where you can see this list of information. The autoplay audio is enabled by default. List of record, so all of your recordings will be listed in here. So far I don't have any yet. And rate the app, you have the option to rate the app, share the app, more apps created by the same author, Facebook fan page, learn English website. So there's nothing much in here actually. And let's go back to the home page or categories, and then select a particular category like this one, restaurant. So if we're at the restaurant and you want to talk to the people in the restaurant. So just use any of these. As you can see, how are you doing this afternoon? Konnichiwa, genki desu ka? Certainly, here you are. Okay, certainly. Right, that sounds good. I'll have that. Iいですね。これをください. Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. ありがとうございました。どうぞ召し上がりください. And that'll be $14.95. So it's going to be 14. Okay, let's keep that part. And can I get anything else? Nani ga gochumon ga gozaimasu ka? And so on. So just select a particular topics in here that you want to use, like this one: animals, cat, neko, and days, Sunday, morning, from sunrise to the middle day, health, there, internet, desktop computer, and hotel. How long will you be staying? Dono kurai taizai shimasu ka? And so on. So just select a sentence that you want to use, and you're good to go. So I highly recommend that you have an application like this to study and learn Japanese. And that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.